Good morning. Welcome to our 36 Eagles Tea fundraising and golf tournament. To all our sponsors, our deepest gratitude for your support.
Download sila ng bola. Saan punta mo?
Sino mo niya? Walang chance. Walang chance makakonta di.
Bakit? May chance na ba makalo?
Patayin mo.
Kailan na matalo? Hanggang ngayon sa bakit?
Thank you to Boma Air-based Dog Tour, calling on all parties and all those who'd like to join us for the ceremonial tea. I'm sure that you guys are already all aware of our rules for the 36 Eagles Tea, so let's start already right away to our ceremonial tea. The VP of the Tea Chapter puts their hands together for the one. Not only Tita Lydia Reyes. Yes, oh my God! Congratulations! We have our hard-working partners from Villamar and the ones who are in charge. Right now, on T-Box number 1, we have the hard-working advisor for the ground. Here in Villamar, kaya naman always in good shape. We have Carla Lolita Malas.
Sir, mataas daw! Wow! Nice shot, Colonel! Nice shot! Ibo ka masyado, ibo ka! Group picture, please! Group picture!
The president of the Villamar Ladies Chapter, Melanie Cruz, will also have our Villamar ladies joining the circle along the only one amongst the rules. Colonel Lolita Velasco. Thank you so much, sir, for your support of the 36 Eagles Tea. For everybody,
Milwaukee!
Thank you!
Okay?
Shit!
Ba talaga? Okay.
Shot. Good shot! Shortcut!
Na talaga.
Yun o, layo sir o.
Nice shot, Joe.
Shot. Bro. Uy, birdie! Birdie yan! Birdie! Uy! Galing naman! 4 points agad! Hole number 5, birdie agad. Gandang gising sir ah.
Sana tuloy-tuloy.
Grabe.
Halo na liter!
Yun oh! Patong oh! Ay, yun na. Ang ganda sana ng linya niya. Oh.
Ayaw, di ba?
Okay sir, pero eh. Uy. Oh, nice. Pero par. Uy, luma. Uy. Okay. Nice par. Birdie. Nice birdie. Yun oh. Okay, takbo.
Par na yan.
Par, nice par. Yun oh, par. Yun oh. Uy, it's nice. Ay, kulang. Uy. Go. Ikot.
Marco.
Yun oh. Sige pa. Kanan, par!
Johnny! Balik mo na.
Yun oh.
Wow,
On the green.
Jackie!
On the green yata.
Tao sa green. Wala.
Lingon yung sa green oh. Patong po sila sa green.
Go, Boss M!
Oh.
Clover!
Sponsored by Ma'am Lydia.
Danija!
Hey! Meron siyang
White Clover!
Yay! Meron pa din kahit nalaglag.
Yes! Clover pa rin!
Galing na doon sa taas, bumaba eh.
Sir, claim niyo po yung inyong clover chips.
May fun game kami. Pag na-touch nyo po yung green, you'll get 1 pack of clover.
Okay. Pagdaon.
Yes. Tapos kahit mag-roll sa water, basta na-touch niya, you'll get pa rin 1 pack of clover.
Nag-hole in one, two.
Sa club po meron. Meron pa rin isa.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, good luck.
Tama na yung apat namin.
May paminto na si Sir kila James.
Earmark. Earmark.
Yun! On the green! Hala! Hole in one!
Overclap. Over tip.
Oo.
Over. Over. Bumalik. Tumama. Nice one.
On the green.
Go!
Oh.
On green. Balat kulangin.
Clover. Uy. Kanan mo pa. On the green. Oh. Meron pa rin.
Tubig green din eh. Tayo tubig green din.
Ay na kay Sir.
Paborito ni Adelaide. Ayan, green din yan.
Yeah. Ano na-touch niya?
On the green.
Okay! Bawi.
Okay lang yan! Pero ano mong Clover!
Lahat naman yata binibigyan ng Clover.
Na-touch niya lang.
Thank you very much.
Si Ma'am Lydia po.
Extra na lang siya. Sinoverclap na namin para lang makakuha ng Clover.
Meron na kayo. Meron na.
Yun oh.
Nice.
Naku, may birdie.
Take a row.
Kala ko magbe-birdie.
Thank you. Take a row. Jogging, palo to mo.
Jogging.
Par.
Uy, huwag ka dyan. Gilid lang, okay lang, gilid. Malakanyang.
Sobrang tapang naman.
Yan. Kapag napapagod, pahinga din pag may time, di ba? Yun, on the green. Ang galing na lang. Yun o,
Pag
para.
pumasok, shoot.
Yun.
I told you. Pumasok, shoot talaga.
Para.
Diretso mabagal. Pag pumasok, shoot din. Jogging by. Tilat sangkay. Hit the bar. Yeah. Galing naman. Ano ba yan? Nahiya ang puta ka.
Naglaylay. Yun. Di ba?
Huwag ka lang malikot. Huwag ka malikot. Ay! Ikaro. Napitik.
Yun.
Hey!
Nice.
Nice game, Jong.